So I said I would go over lesson seven's homework. So I know that the solutions are online, but I think it might be a little bit better if I spend a little bit of time explaining. So question number one asks, is the answer to the problem at the right going to be more or less than 6? So we have 2 and 5 6, and we have 3 and 2/3, right? You know when you add 2 and 3 together, you'll get 5, and we only got one more whole left to get to 6. So 5 6 is only 1/6 away from a whole, and 2/3 is more than that. 2/3, in other words, right, 2/3 is greater than 1/6. So we know that our answer is going to be greater than 6. I'll say that again. 2 and 3, that makes 5. If I take a look at 5 6, I noticed I'm only 1/6 away from a whole, or 1/6 away from 6. But here I have 2/3, which is definitely greater than 1/6, right? So I know that my answer is going to be greater than 6. Next, we have to solve the problem using an area model. So I know that I cannot make sense of this addition unless I have the same size measuring units. So obviously I'm going to need sixths. So my BMU is going to be 6 6. And I'm making sure that I show 1/6 because 1/6 or 6 are in the problem, and thirds, which would be 2 6. So now I need to represent 2 and 5 6. So here's a BMU 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here's another BMU, and then here's 5 6 1 2 3 4 5. Right? Now I need to represent 3 and 2/3. So I got 1 2 3 BMUs, and 2/3 is 4 6. Remember, in our model, a third is 2 6. So 2/3 would be 4 6. Now, I don't have enough space. I drew my boxes kind of big. But your last step would be to show one drawing with all of these together. So be mindful of the size of your boxes when you show your models. The final answer when you add these two is going to be 6 and 3/6, or 6 and 1/2. How do I know that? I have 1 2 3 4 5 complete BMUs, and then I have 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 6 complete BMUs, and then there's 3 6 left over, and 3 6 we know is 1/2, or half a BMU. Oops. Question number 2 on the homework, is the answer to the problem at the right going to be more or less than 1? So we have 3 1/2, take away 2 and 5 6. So I know that 3 minus 2 is 1, right? When I take away 2 from this 3, this is going to become 1 1/2, and this is just going to be 5 6. So it's like 1 1/2 minus 5 6. Well, I know that half is 3 6. So this is like saying 1 and 3/6 minus 5 6. Once I subtract 5 6 from this, I know that my answer is going to be less than 1. How do I know that? I only have 3 6 here, so I need to dig into this one for 2 more 6 to take away. Next, they're asking us to show a discrete model. I did draw an area model at first, as you can see, so this is also really important to make sure that you read the directions, because after I took a look at the directions, I noticed that I was doing the wrong model. It would look like this, but let's look at the right model. Right? So obviously I know that my BMU is going to be 6. In order to make sense of the answer. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 in my discrete model, that's my BMU. 1/6 is going to be 1 circle. Half a BMU is going to be 3 circles. Now I need to show 3 and 1/2. So I got 1 2 3 4 5 6, that's 1 BMU. 1 2 3 4 5 6, another BMU. 1 2 3 4 5 6, my third BMU, and then half a BMU, or 3 6 right here. Now I need to show 2 and 5 6. So I got 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 BMU. 1 2 3 4 5 6, my second BMU. 1 2 3 4 5, 5 6 of a BMU. And now I need to subtract. So I need to show my 3 and 1/2, which I did right here. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then my half. And I need to subtract 2 and 5 6. I can also say, how many circles do I have here and how many circles do I have here, and subtract. Okay, so I have 21 circles in 3.5. And then here I have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so 21 take away 17, you have 4 left, or 4/6 is going to be your final answer. If you have some questions, let me know.